In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a card from AliExpress. If you've ever saved a payment card on AliExpress and want to clean things up for security or just to stay organized, I'll walk you through the exact path to remove it. We'll go slowly and keep everything clear so you know exactly where to click and what to expect. First, open your preferred web browser and search for AliExpress. You can type the name into your search bar and press enter. When the results appear, take a moment to make sure you're going to the official site. You're looking for the result that points to aliexpress.com. It's a good habit to check that the address bar shows the correct domain and, ideally, a secure connection indicator before you proceed. Click the correct link to open the AliExpress homepage. Once you're there, move your mouse to the top right corner of the screen and hover over the account area. This hover action reveals a quick menu and helps you get to sign in and account settings without hunting through multiple pages. From that menu, click the option to sign in. If you're not already logged in, you'll be prompted to enter your usual account details and complete any verification that may be required. Sign in as you normally do so AliExpress can display your personal account dashboard. After you're signed in, hover over the account section again at the top right. Now that you're logged in, the menu will show more options related to your profile and settings. Next, look for the left-hand sidebar within your account area and click Payment. This is the section where AliExpress stores your saved payment methods. If your screen size is smaller, you might need to scroll a bit or expand the menu, but payment will be listed on that left side. Inside payment, find the card on file that you want to remove. Take a second to confirm it's the correct card by checking the last four digits and the card type. When you're sure, click Remove. A confirmation prompt will appear. This is there to prevent accidental deletions. Confirm your choice, and the card will be removed from your saved payment methods. That's it. The change takes effect right away. Keep in mind, removing a card doesn't cancel any existing orders, and it doesn't affect pending payments that have already been authorized. If you ever need to pay with a card again, you can simply add a new one during checkout. And if you're on a shared or public computer, remember to sign out of your account when you're done for added security.